Hi, my name is Rupa. I'm a realtor with Remax. I'm doing an open house here at 35 Ellison Avenue in East Brunswick, New Jersey. I didn't realize how bad the weather is here until I came out of the house and started putting open house signs. And all the while I was thinking, am I going to get the traffic? Am I going to get the traffic? But truth be told, I didn't get that much of a traffic as to how much I was expecting. But on the bright side, I know that people who walked into the open house are really very serious and they are really very looking forward to purchasing a house. And I got really very serious interest in the house, and people said they would place an offer either through the agent or through me, and I would be following up with them either tomorrow or on Monday. So don't think that weather is going to be the factor in selling your home. If it's a really bad weather like the rain that we are having here, only the serious people are going to come out and take a look at the house and place an offer and move forward with purchasing a home. So that is one of the lessons I have learned today. So I hope you take this advice and implement in your own business. I hope to see you soon. Bye.